Hi students, today in this session we are going to discuss about electromeric effect. So this electromeric effect is one of the electronic effects. So there are four electronic effects like inductive effect, mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation and electromeric effect. So far we have discussed about these three effects. So now let us discuss about electromeric effect. So among these four effects, the first two are permanent effects. Whereas the remaining two are temporary effect. Temporary effects means the effects which takes place only in presence of a reagent, whereas the permanent effects takes place in absence of reagent also. Okay, so the temporary effect takes place only in presence of a reagent. So now let us comes to this electromeric effect. So this electromeric effect is simply just like mesomeric effect, but the small difference is the mesomeric effect is a permanent effect, whereas the electromeric effect is a temporary effect. Okay, so in order to understand this electromeric effect, let us have a look on mesomeric effect, which we have already discussed in our previous video. So the mesomeric effect means, so the permanent displacement of pi electrons of a poly bond towards a single covalent bond or towards an atom, or the displacement of non-bonded electrons of an atom towards a single covalent bond is called mesomeric effect. So if this effect takes place in absence of a reagent, then it is called mesomeric effect. If the same effect takes place in presence of a reagent, then that effect is called electromeric effect. So in order to understand this, let us consider an example. That is, if you consider an aldehyde group R C double bond O H, if this aldehyde is reacted with hydrogen cyanide, that is HCN. So in presence of HCN, the displacement of these pi electrons takes place towards the oxygen. Then oxygen becomes negative charged species, whereas carbon becomes positive species. Now this H plus will attack towards O minus and Cn minus will attack towards C plus. Then it becomes R, CH, OH and Cn. So here cyanohydrin is formed. So only in presence of HCN, the displacement of pi electrons takes place. Suppose if HCN is removed, that is in absence of HCN, the reaction will shift towards backward direction. That means again aldehyde is formed. So since this effect takes place only in presence of HCN, this is temporary effect. Okay, so this temporary effect takes place only in presence of a reagent, that is HCN. Okay, this is about electromeric effect. So in our organic chemistry, any one of these effects takes place. In order to understand the organic chemistry, we have to remember all the four effects. So these four effects are the main key roles to organic chemistry, and there are four types of reactions are also there. So if you know four types of effects and four types of reactions, like substitution reactions, addition reactions, elimination and rearrangement reactions, you can completely understand the organic chemistry. Okay, so we will later discuss about those four types of reactions in the next videos. Okay, thank you. Like the session, share the session and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.